Please close your eyes. Slowly start to observe your breath. With every exhale, let the weight of your body slowly disappear and begin to draw your attention to your breath. Don't manipulate it, don't change it. Whatever rhythm and flow is going through you right now, just focus on that. And eventually, we are going to deepen and lengthen out this breath. I like to look down at my hands and arms and really just appreciate your body. Appreciate your body that has just allowed you to take this time, sit in silence and sitting still. It's all about coming home to yourself. Find your Zen.